Yoga is an ancient system practices used to balance the mind and body through exercise, meditation, and control of breathing and emotions. International Yoga Day was celebrated with different health activities on 21st June 2023 at St. Joseph H.S. Cherubura. After the school assembly, our school principal, Sister Bhagya SIC, made a talk on the importance of yoga in our day to day life. Yoga class was conducted by Remya TT, our school physical education trainer. She introduced many yogasans to the Scout and Guide upper primary students. All students were performed well. Olympic Day is an international celebration held annually on June 23rd. The day commemorates the founding of the modern Olympic Games by 𝓘𝓷𝓽𝓮𝓻𝓷𝓪𝓽𝓮. It aims to promote participation in sports and physical activities, as well as the Olympic values of excellence, friendship, and respect. International Olympic Day was celebrated at St. Joseph H.S. Cherubura. After the assembly, Olympic run was conducted by our St. Joseph students along with our PT. All guidance was given by Remya. It was an amazing experience for all students, and they said it was an opportunity for them to spread the majesty of Olympics. As per the instructions of the State Education Department and Health Department, a health assembly and awareness class was conducted at St. Joseph School, Cherubura. Since the cases of fever and related diseases are on the rise this rainy season, the assembly was inaugurated by our school principal, Sister Bhagya SIC. The awareness speech was delivered by Mrs. Minnie Jose, the coordinator of Science Club.